Lucky, and we have Chia and Papaya. Asahi did not want to come out today. I kept asking him to step up, but he didn't want to. Hey, you're going to stay with me, girlfriend. Okay, I know. You know what? If you want to be up here and have Tawny? All right, step up. Wow, Ruby, you are really heavy. You just made that whole perch. Wiggle. We have Miss Tawny with us today for our video. Oh, and sometimes the birds don't get along. Chia, be nice. Chia, in his moody stage, will be a little bully. That's Carrot's communication. Step up. All right, go over there with your sister. Oh, Miss Ruby is back there, and I'm not sure where you're going. This isn't really for you. Step up. I know you're very curious, but this is for the little, oh, whoops. It's for the little birds. This is for the big birds. All right. So, I have a very serious video that I'm going to talk to you guys about, right? We all are. By the way, I've got my Cairo merch. One of them says, "Love your parrot." Okay, I took Ruby back into her play gym. She was just all over the place. If you are planning on getting a new bird, if you have a bird right now and you want another bird, or if you know someone that is planning on getting a bird, please share this video before they get the bird. I want to let you know a little bit about my history, that I have been an aviculturist for over 25 years. I was trained by the best of the best on how to raise baby birds. On top of that, I've worked for vet clinics. I worked for a very, very well-known zoo as a zookeeper for penguins. And I have had my own babies in my own home. And I took great joy in raising my own babies that then went to homes that I felt were super, super good for them. Watch this clip and I'll be back in a minute. The video of how sweet it is to have baby birds. It's so joyful. The reality is that over 75% get rehomed. And in the next clip that I'm going to show you, it's going to give you some of the reasons why, which typically is noise, biting, they're too messy, families, there's mental illness, that the bird has to be rehomed. There's death. They're going to chew wood. They're going to chew your blinds. They're going to chew on cabinets. So watch this clip and share the reality of what it's going to be like to have a bird. You can hear the birds outside. So this is something that you need to know about. If you're gonna get a bird, that your neighbors can hear them when they're screaming inside your house. You can hear it outside. That's going to help you decide if you are cut out for having a bird. They're messy, they're loud, you can hear them outside of your home. Are you in a position that your neighbor is not going to call your landlord on you if you're renting a home? They can even call animal control if you own your own home, because it would be considered a nuisance. So you need to know who your neighbors are. You need to know that they're okay with it. You need to know that you are okay with it and all your family members are okay with it. I know it's hard, because I know I have subscribers that they've had baby birds. They love that they get them from a breeder. Not on either side, but I am an advocate for rescue and adoption first. I can't tell you what I'm not doing anymore. I am not going to have any of my pet birds have babies and then give them to the public of people that end up just rehoming them. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, comment below, right? This beautiful girl. Oh, my little show girl. We love you so much. And don't forget to check us out on Facebook at loveyourparrot.com and Instagram at loveyourparrot.